Hey, this is Kathy Perry, corporate energy expert, helping senior living professionals power up and perform. This is one in a series of 25 videos with tips, tools, and tactics to help you energize. Well, for today's tip, I would like you to think about something that's become kind of trendy in the last few years. Maybe you've heard of them, maybe you use them, but I'd like to talk about essential oils. I first was exposed to them probably about 5-6 years ago and took them in as a little bit of they might help, they might not. So essential oils are plant-based compounds and people diffuse them into the air. Or sometimes people take them internally, rub them on, smell them, but they are meant to have different effects on your moods or your systems and your body. So depending on what oil you're using, they can energize you. Well, within your workspace, it might be a great idea to have an energizing area where you might diffuse some essential oils that specifically are used to bring about a feeling of energizing. And some of those are like peppermint and spearmint and tangerine and orange and lemon, very vibrant smells. Because when we take in smells, it does something and it sends a signal to the brain that says, ooh, I feel that energy coming. And just the opposite of that, other essential oils like lavender in the evening tend to calm. There's a few others that are calming. But as far as this series is concerned with energizing, why not have an area within either at your home if you're doing this personally to re-energize, or within your workspace where you have an essential oil diffuser diffusing some of those energetic scents. They're also great just to rub in your hands and smell, and you'll feel that little pick-me-up that you might just need to stay energized through your afternoon. So this is Kathy Perry, corporate energy expert, giving you those tips, tools, and tactics to stay powered up. And until next time, stay energized.